Now, the Unicorn Beetle Pro is a case that is for heavy duty use. Here it is for the iPhone 11R. I'll put one of these on for you just to give you some sense of how it's going to be. Nice, beautiful case. There they are. You get the belt clip and everything. And you know, it's looking pretty hot. So let's put which one you put on? Let's just go with the black one. Keep it basic. So you got your case right here, your kickstand. The thing is on there tight, man. Now these aren't kickstands anymore. These used to be kickstands back in the day, but the kickstand is now over here. Yeah, this is the kickstand. Really nice kickstand. Nice and sturdy. Snaps in place. Remember, always peel from the bottom right. Get it open. Let's peel this off. Get our replica phone. Drop it in. Drop it in here. This is a strong case, man. This is for some serious. You need some serious protection. It's got a little bit of weight to it. You know, this isn't a case that a person might want to just carry around just because. This is like serious drop protection right here. And I gotta admit, it's actually really beautiful. I really like it. You got your kickstand here. You can pop it up, pop a movie going on. You can see how it looks right there. Nice hinge on there, nice and strong. Yeah, this is clean right here. You can pop it in your, you headed to work, boom, pop it on your belt clip, and you're out. Yes. So there it is, man. This is the Pro lineup. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed.